Good evening. Well, if it is evening when you're watching this, it's evening when I'm recording it. So this is just a little video to get some feedback. I need to find out. I need some information. I've done all the Googling, but I want to talk to people, i.e. you lovely people, who have probably got what I'm thinking about getting, and that is solar panels. Solar panels on the roof of the sun is low. Solar panels on the roof of the house. Now, Octopus at the moment are offering interest-free credit for installation of solar panels, and I've gone online. I've done the online quote thing, and if I want the Gucci 13 kilowatt Tesla Powerwall, then I'm looking at like £14,000. However, if I have an 8 kilowatt and I don't know who it's made by or what it is, but it's what's recommended by Octopus, if I have the 8 kilowatt, that's just over £9,000. Now, how does this work? I know the sun comes down on it, it charges it up, and so on and so forth. But the savings wise, am I going to save anything by having solar? I mean, I only tend to charge the car of an evening, or I plug it in and I let Octopus and the car decide when's best to charge. But just for having it in the house, how does that, how is it worth it? Is it worth spending the £9,000 to have it installed? It's basically what I'm trying to find out. There's, I've done a bit of I've done Googling and everything else, but how do you work out savings? How do you work out what I'm going to save by having it installed? £9,000 or £10,000 or whatever it is a lot of money to spend if you're not sure. Now, I guess there must be some savings, because obviously if I'm not charging the car, then everything in the house is going to be powered by that 5 or 8 kilowatt battery that's stuck on the outside of the house. Can I, if I'm not using electricity, and I can't store it and I can't use it, what happens then? Is that just wasted? Or can the electricity that is being generated be sold on? Can it be sold to the grid? This is a whole new thing for me, and it's something I've been thinking about, because I actually did an exhibition about 3 months ago, and there was a company there who had the Tesla Powerwall who were trying to sort of not sell it to me. I mean, it sells itself, but I just can't find out, how do you calculate what you're going to save? I guess there must be something out there. Is there anyone that's used the Octopus interest-free solar panel installation? What batteries have you got? Have you got the 5, the 8, or the 12, and then the 13.5 kilowatt Tesla Powerwall? What have you got? What would you recommend? I'm going on what Octopus have recommended when after I filled in the survey. I mean, they know how much electricity I'm using, so surely they'd be able to guesstimate for me what I you know, what's going to be best for me. As I say, it did come up recommended, but is that recommended because it's cheaper? Is it recommended because it's good make? Is it recommended based on my usage? I've got absolutely no idea. So yeah, so that's that point. The next thing is, how long does it take to install these things? Is it a huge disruption? Does it affect the structure of the roof? I honestly, I'm completely naive on the subject, and you know, there's going to be people who watch this. There's going to be people out there who do watch this, who've got them, and it's just really nice to get some honest feedback from people who've got it. Is it worth the money? How long does it take to recoup the money that is going to be spent to have it installed? So is there a website I can go to work out how much I'm going to save? Is there anywhere I can go to find out about what happens with the electricity I'm generating that I don't use? You know, what can I do? What can I do? Right, thank you very much for watching this 4 or 5 minutes of me waffling. If anyone's got any feedback, any comments, that would be really good to help me decide whether or not to go for this solar panels. But thanks for your time, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.